In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace wiper blades on an 01 Volvo V70. So the first thing you want to do is raise your wiper arm, hold it steady. So here is the wiper blade, and this is the little clip where you need a flathead screwdriver. It's right here. You're going to pull up on it and then push down and release. So what it looks like underneath is this tab right here. Just pull that up. As you can see, there's a notch, and it sits right in that hole, right in that wiper arm, so it locks itself in. Reattach it. Hear that click, and you're ready to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.